Hey everyone, thanks for checking out today's video. I have a super cool Acura TSX in the shop today and I thought I should share it with you guys. This is a 2007 Acura TSX and it has a KraftWerks Supercharger setup on it. The car's all tuned to put down some great numbers. I'm going to share that with you in a bit, but I thought I'd take this opportunity to share the unique build, share with you some of the parts that the owner has chosen, because it's a really nice, super clean TSX with some really good parts on it. So why not take this opportunity to share with you guys. Like I said, 2007 Acura TSX. It has the original K24 A2 engine in it. It has a OEM Aspec Lip Kit. And the owner found a really cool STI, I think it was a Subaru STI Lip Kit. I'm not actually sure. We're gonna try to confirm what it is. So if anyone's interested in this lip kit, I'll try to put it in the description if we can figure it out. But it's a super nice piece in the front bumper. I actually had a 06 TSX and I really, with the same lip kit, and like I wish I'd found that front lip because it's super nice. Wheel-wise, he's gone with Enkei NT03+M. They are 18 by 9.5 plus 40, square setup, 255, 35, 18 tires. He's also upgraded to Brembo front calipers, which is a super nice piece in the setup. And one thing I really like about this setup is the seats. He has gone with a set of JDM Recaros. These are CL1 older style Accord Euro R seats. They're super comfy and they're super cool in the setup. So very nice touch. But what's really cool about this setup is the engine setup. It has a KraftWerks Supercharger setup, and the owner installed everything himself and then got the help of another shop to do the final welding and intercooler charge piping, and they did a fantastic job. Everyone did a great job on this setup. Today we tuned the car on Hondata Flashpro. It has a Hondata 4-bar map sensor. It has Graham 1000cc injectors. It has an AEM 340 fuel pump. It is still using the returnless fuel system, and that was the limitation of this setup today. It is at 90% duty cycle, and I do feel that we have probably maxed out this fuel system. There's no way to know for sure. There is no fuel pressure gauge, but based on how it was responding right at red line, which was 7,500, I feel that this is the absolute limit of power and fuel for this setup. All that being said, it still made some great numbers today. Why don't I cut to a couple shots of the dyno pulls and then I'll share the final results. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed the dyno pulls, but I'm sure you want to know what it made. So the car ended up putting down a little bit over 11 pounds of boost, about 11.5 PSI. It is a completely internally stock, original K24 A2, the original engine from this car. So stock oil pump, stock 25-degree VTC cam gear. So at 11.5 pounds of boost, it made 411 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds torque. Don't worry about this little wiggle there. That is just the dyno losing its RPM signal for a second and then catching it again. Sometimes that happens, but yeah, super linear power band. Basically, down low, the Supercharger makes like 1 or 2 PSI, and then it ramps up to about 11.5 right at redline. So makes for a super linear power band. With this setup, because It is the limitation is the VTC cam gear of 25 degrees. Basically, everywhere full throttle, everywhere in boost, it's about 25 degrees VTC. Super cool setup, made some great power today. It is on pump gas, it's on our 94 octane pump gas, but that's not a limitation. This setup is totally fine on pump gas at this power level. So that's about it for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.